Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Sending a head HTTP request in Python 2 can be done using the httplib library, which is included in the standard library. The httplib library allows you to make HTTP requests and handle responses. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to send a head HTTP request in Python 2 with a code example. Step 1. Import the httplib library. To get started, you'll need to import the httplib library at the beginning of your Python script. Step 2. Create an HTTP connection. Next, you need to create an HTTP connection to the server you want to send the head request to. You'll specify the server's hostname and port, usually 80 for HTTP or 443 for HTTPS. For this example, we'll use the HTTP server example.com. Step 3. Send a head request. Now, you can send a head request using the request method with the head HTTP method as an argument. You also need to specify the path to the resource you want to request, which can be an absolute path or just /. Step 4. Get the response. After sending the head request, you can retrieve the server's response using the getResponse method. Step 5. Process the response. You can then process the response to extract information if needed. In a head request, you typically don't expect a response body, but you can still check the status code and headers. Step 6. Close the connection. Don't forget to close the HTTP connection when you're done. That's it. You've sent a head HTTP request to a server in Python 2 and processed the response. Remember to replace example.com with the actual host name of the server you want to request information from. Here's the complete code example. This code example demonstrates how to send a head HTTP request in Python 2 and handle the server's response. ChatGPT.